Yeah, this is birds opening. So what do I do against this? Let's play d6. Let's play e5. Can I play c5? Maybe that's too ambitious. Play g6. Bishop g7. I don't know this line at all. Became some kind of, not really birds, became some kind of other type of opening. But this might be good for me actually. It's like white could be overextended or something. Because I can attack immediately his center. Can play here. Even play queen here maybe. Castle law. Oh no, knight comes here. Okay, let's play knight. So coming here. It's kind of a threat. Maybe not. I can play now, but probably better to play just this. Now I can go here. Okay, I can cancel them. He can't castle because bishop g4 is going to be secure. I mean, he can't castle long. Can castle short. And we're going to have a lot of exchanges probably. Okay, he defends like that. Take, 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 knight takes. I think I'm winning a pawn here. Let's see, take, take. So take, 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 knight takes here. Let's say bishop takes, I take, and he can't take back because rook e8. Yeah, so yeah, let's go. See if it's correct. Can also include c5, maybe. Maybe I shouldn't. Just keep it simple. I can check also, but I'm not gonna do it. Check, what does he do? G6 maybe. Okay, let's just win a pawn. Okay, now he's threatening to take. So let's just play again, play simple. Simple chess, rook e8. Okay, that's good, but I think I can play see, can check and take, but then he takes here. Oh, I can check and check here. Yeah, let's do that. Check, check, win exchange. Open. Oh, and I'm threatening check here too, so that's a deadly check. If he takes here, I have a check here. Okay, let's just play here. Exchange queens. Exchange rocks, I mean. Yeah, let's exchange rocks. Oh, he can takes here. Giving up a lot of pawns here. Hopefully, it's gonna be okay. Four seconds left. Five. Gave him a lot of pawns. Oh, crap. Oh, shit. Completely winning position. We're gonna probably resign. Yeah, something went terribly wrong there. Let's see, game review. I was winning, and then I gave up too many pawns. I got nervous there. Gave up too many pawns. Yeah, right here. It's -4. Let's see. This taking is good. Yeah, winning a pawn was great. Probably a 5. Should have probably played F5, right? Okay. Winning exchange is good. That was a bad move. Let's go back. So yeah, +3, 6. So yeah, check wasn't there good. I should have played just C6. Yeah, and then if he comes here, it gets trapped. So I'm not afraid. I should have played C6. Such a simple move. C6, and then he has to go back. Otherwise, he gets trapped. And then I just bring in the rook. So it's completely winning. Instead, got scared of his fork. This check was completely unnecessary. After this, Queen D7 is probably okay, right? That's a bad move. Um, Bad move. Queen F5. Oh, Queen F5 forcing the exchange of queens. Say here, here. And now I can play even A6. Yeah. So if he takes, there's like a pin. It's gonna be very bad for him. And if he goes back, just bring the rook over here. Yeah, that was a winning position. I just somehow I got nervous and I played a bunch of bad moves. The Still winning though. H5 was bad. I should have played the rook over here immediately. Oh, a king h7 preventing him. How much time do they have already? Probably like, oh, 5 seconds. That's why I'm playing quickly. Yeah. Here, I'm already losing. Has too many pawns. Yeah, he should have just moved his pawns. Take. I should have brought the king over. Should have brought the king over. And this is already really bad. Yeah, that's completely losing. Okay. Yeah, I had a winning position and I just got nervous and lost. That happens.